Okay, just look at this question. They are saying that the following information is relating to 7 the traders for the month of March 2019. Required complete the salaries journal for March 2019. And then they are giving the information. So we are doing the salaries journal for March 2019. So what you must remember is that the salaries journal is done every month. Every month, the business does the salaries journal. So for this time, we are doing the salaries journal for March 2019. Okay, so we are given the information. So let's go and look at the answer sheet. So the answer sheet, um, this is the basic salary and the bonus and also the total of the gross salary. Okay, so they said Mange basic salary per month is 30,800. 30,800. So you need to remember that when we are doing the salaries journal, we are doing the salaries journal of a month. That is why we are taking the salary of just 1 month. That is why we did not say that 30,800 times 12 months. The reason for that it is because we are doing the salaries journal for 1 month. So like every time when you are doing the salaries journal, you know that you do it for 1 month. Meaning that if you are giving the money for the whole year, you must divide that money by 12 so that you're going to find the money for only 1 month. Okay, and then Esma Zibugo basic salary is 36,800. 36,800, right? And then they said being Pisane basic salary is 501,600 per annum, meaning that for Pisane they gave us a salary of the whole year. But we don't want the salary of the whole year, we want the salary of only 1 month. So therefore we have to divide by 12. So we are going to get 41,800, which is the basic salary for Pisane for 1 month. Okay, what else are we told here? So if you can look here below, they said M Mange and B Pisane will earn bonuses in March. So they are saying that B Pisane and Mange they are going to get a salary in March, which is the month that we are in right now, which is the same as their monthly salaries. So they are saying that Mange and Pimpisane will earn the bonuses, which is the same as their monthly salaries. So meaning that um, Mange will get a bonus of 30,800, and also Pimpisane will get a salary of 41,800, the bonus. The reason for that it is because they said that they will get the bonuses which is the same as their monthly salaries, right? So their monthly salaries for Mange is 30,800, which is the money that he is going to get for a bonus. And then also Mpisane, his monthly salary is 41,800. So therefore, he's going to get a bonus of 41,800. Okay, so they did not say anything about the bonus of B Mazibugo, meaning that B Mazibugo is not going to get a bonus this month. Okay, now the total of the gross salary. So bonus plus basic salary, that is 61,600. And then this one did not get a bonus, so it is going to be 36,800. And this one, it is 83,600. Okay, now let's continue. Then they said for payee, Mange, he's going to get a deduction. There will be a deduction of 18% of the gross. 18% of the gross for Mange. So the gross of Mange is 61,600. So they said that the payee is 18% of the gross. They said the payee is 18% of the gross. So 61,600 times 18%, it is going to be 11,088. So which is the payee for M Mange, right? And then they said for Esma Zibugo, the payee is 25% of the gross. For Esma Zibugo, the payee is 25% of the gross. So the gross of Esma Zibugo is 36,800. So 36,800 times 25%. So that is a gross of 9,000. I mean, that is a payee of 9,200. 9,200. And then for Pimpisani, 28% of the gross. So the gross of Pisani, it is 83,000. 83,600 times 28% payee, that is going to give you 23,408. 23,408, right? So, and then medical aid. So the medical aid deductions is already given. The deduction for medical aid is already given. So for Mange is 3,500 deduction for medical aid. Remember, it is written here that these are the deductions, meaning that all of this is a deduction because here it's a written deduction. So meaning that's payee, medical aid, pension fund, and UIF. These are all the deductions. So for Esma Zibogo, it is 4,800. And then for Pisane, 5.9. Okay, the next one, pension fund. They said for pension fund is 7.5% of the basic salary. Basic, they mean the basic salary. So they said for all the employees, they will be deducted a pension fund of 7.5% for the basic salary. Excuse me. 7.5% of the basic salary for a pension fund. Okay, let's start with Mange. 80,800 times 7.5%, which is equal to 2,310. And then, so this is Mange 2,310. And then Esmazuo basic salary, it is 36,800 times 7.5%, which is going to give you 2,000. 760, 2,760. And then for Pisane, 41,000 basic times 7.5%, which is going to give you 3,135. 3,135. So yeah, let me erase this. Let me erase all of this. Let me erase all of this. Okay, and then UIF. So for UIF, we are already given for Mange, it is 308, 308. And then Mazibogo, 368. And then from Pisane, it is 418. So let's add all these deductions for Mange. We are going to get a total of 17,206. And then for Esmazibo total deductions, it is 17,128. And then from Pisane, it is 32,861. Then now the net salary. Now, how do we get a net salary? The net salary, it is the gross salary minus the deductions. Gross salary minus the deductions. So this is the total of the gross salary, and then this is the total of the deductions. So for S Mange, the gross salary is 61,000, and then the net salary is 17,800. So 61,600 minus 17,206, which is the deduction, we are going to get 44,394. And then for Esma Zibugo, there is 6,800 gross salary minus deduction of 17,128, which is 19,672. And then from Pisane, it is 83,600 gross salary minus deduction of 32,861, which is 50,739. Okay, now let's go to the employer's contributions. What are they saying about employer's contributions? The employer contributes 10% of the basic salary towards the pension fund. 10% of the basic salary toward the pension fund. So let's check. So for Mange, the basic salary is 30,800. So the employer will contribute 10% toward the pension fund. And which they said this side, employer contributes 10% of the basic salary toward the pension fund, meaning that the contributions for pension fund of Mange, it is going to be his basic salary of 30,800 times 10%, which is going to give you 3,080. This is 3,080. And then the basic for Mazibugo, it is 36,800 times 10%. So, which is going to be 3,680. So pension fund for This one is 3,680. And then for Mbisane, 41,800 times 10%, which is equal to 4,180. So the employer will contribute 4,180 to the pension fund of Mbisane. Let me just put this away, and then point number 2, employer contributes towards medical aid with GEMS is 2 rand for every 1 rand. So this means that if the employee is contributing 1 rand, the employer will contribute 2 rand. If the employee is contributing 2 rand, the employer will contribute 2 times this, which is 4 rand. If the employee is contributing 3 rand, the employer will contribute 2 times the 3 rand, which is 6 rand. So this means that the employer contributes twice of what twice of what was deducted from the employee for the medical aid. The employer contributes twice of what was deducted from the employee. So meaning that because Mange medical aid was 3,700, this means that the employer will contribute twice it, so which is 3,500 times 2, which is 7,000. And then Esma Zibugo medical aid is 4,800, so 2 rand for every 1 rand. So meaning that the employer will contribute twice this amount, so which is 9,600. And then we have medical aid for baseline is 5,900 times 2, which is 11,800. And towards UIF is on a rent for rent basis. For this one, rent for rent basis, it means that if the employee is contributing 1 rand, the employer contributes 1 rand. So meaning that the employer and the employee, they contribute the same amount. For rent basis, the employer and the employee, they contribute the same amount. So meaning that they're just going to be the same amount. UIF is going to be the same because they are contributing for 1 rand for rent basis. And then let's calculate the totals. So for this one, it is 10,388. And then for this one, it is 13,648. Then this one, it is 16,398. Thank you.